Hello everyone. Let's start the physics section which is there in examination. So the first question which are asked in examination is the water waves, which are first option is longitudinal wave, second option is transverse wave, third option is neither transverse nor longitudinal wave, and the fourth option is combination of transverse and longitudinal wave. If we talk about water waves, so which is the combination of transverse and longitudinal wave, it means D is the right option. Water waves are perpendicular to the direction of propagation and it is parallel and along the direction of propagation of waves. It means D option is the right option. Water waves is the combination of transverse and longitudinal waves. So move to the next question. The watt hour is the unit of which one? First option is power, second option is energy, third option is voltmeter, and the fourth one is electric current. So the watt hour is the unit of energy. Second option is the right option. So move to the next question. Find the equivalence resistance. Equivalence means resultant. So the equivalence resistance of this question. So these are two resistors which are connected in parallel. 2 omega and 2 omega are the resistors which are connected in parallel. You know the formula when two resistors are connected in parallel. The formula is 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. It means 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 which is equal to 2 upon 2. It means 1 omega. When you combine these two resistors, your answer is 1 omega, but there is a third resistor which are connected in series. It means you have only left with two resistors, 1 omega and 3 omega. When these two resistors are connected in series, then the formula is R1 plus R2. It means 1 omega plus 3 omega. The right option is 4 omega. So fourth option is the right option. So move to our next question. It is difficult to walk on a ice because there is pressure is high, pressure is low, friction is high and friction is low. There is no another any concept of pressure. So the right option is less friction, means friction is low. So D option is the right option. So move to the next question. Here the question is asked about mismatch. So first option is milk. It means lactometer. Lactometer is used to measure milk, and the second option is barometer, which is used to measure the pressure, and third option is thermometer, which is used to measure the temperature. But if we talk about calorimeter, so it is used to measure the heat, not humidity. So it means D option is a wrong option. It means D option is the right option and this is a mismatch. So move to our next question. The velocity of a sound in a vacuum. This is a direct question which are there in examination and the direct value. You have to learn the value. The velocity of a sound in a vacuum is, first option is 332 meter per second. Second option is 330 meter per second. Third option is 288 meter per second and fourth one is 0 meter per second. This is not a option, and the right option is 332 meter per second. So move to the next question. The pendulum oscillates 40 times in 4 seconds. There is an oscillation and there is a pendulum. The oscillation is 40 times and the 40 times in a 4 seconds. Then you have to find out the velocity. This is a very easy question. So right option is 10 Hertz, because you know that oscillation, the frequency is oscillation upon time. Oscillation is 40 and the time is 4. This is a direct question which are there in examination. So 10 Hertz is the right option. So move to the next question. Which of the following is the best conductor of electricity? First is tap water, second is distilled water, third option is sea water, and fourth option is rain water. If we talk about best conductor of electricity, then the right option is third option, means sea water is the right option. So move to the next question. The image formed by a plane mirror. We have to talk about plane mirror. The image formed by a plane mirror. First option is real. Second option is laterally inverted. Third option is the size is less than that of the object, and the fourth option is real and of the same size as the object. So the right option is virtual erect image is formed. It means second option is the right option. Laterally inverted is a right option. So move to the next question. The angle of deviation, this question is related to prism. The angle of deviation of a prism is greater. Greatest means to say maximum deviations. The color, you know that when a white light, monochromatic light is passed through the prism, then the colors are formed is Bibgyor. So R color, red color is there, we have minimum deviation, but here we talk about greatest means maximum deviation, so violet color is a right option. Most of the students are confused in these two options, red or white, which one is the right option. So violet color is a right option. Here is the maximum deviation. So move to the next question. Which of the following is not a member? It means which is not a member of solar system. So first option is asteroid, an asteroid. Second option is a satellite. Third option is a constellation. Fourth option is a comet. As you know, which one is not a member of solar system? The right option is satellite. Satellite is not a member of solar system. Move to the next question. This is very important question which is there in examination. Two person, first one is X and second one is Y. These two person takes a time. X takes 10 hours, Y takes 12 hours respectively. And these two persons are traveling from Bangalore to Hyderabad. Then you have to find out the average velocity, which one has a maximum, minimum and equal velocity. These are four options are given. So the first option is average velocity of X is equal to the average velocity of Y, and the second option is less than that of Y, and the third option is more than, average velocity of X is more than that of Y, and the fourth option is we cannot compare their velocity. This is not option. First of all, you have to neglect and reduce this option, and the right option is the average velocity of X is more than that of Y, because here X takes less time and Y takes more time. The average velocity of X is more than that of Y. C option is the right option. So move to the next question. The dimensional formula of surface tension. This is a direct question which are there in examination. So the dimensional formula of surface tension is Mt minus 2. It means first option is not a right option, second option is not a right option, and fourth option is not a right option. The right option is third option, ML0 T minus 2. You have to know MT minus 2. It means L0. So third option is the right option. So move to the next question. This is a very important question. There is two body, heavy body and light body, and these two bodies have equal kinetic energy. Which of the following have a greater momentum? Which body have a greater momentum? So first is heavy body, second is light body, third is these two bodies have equal momentum, and the fourth one is none of these. So light body and heavy body have equal kinetic energy. It means light body have a greater momentum. So B option is a right option. So move to the next question. Next question is, a man pulls a bucket out of the bell. There is a bell and the man which is pull out a bucket out of a bell by the mean with the help of rope. So the work done by the gravity. Sometimes the examiner asks the question work done by a man. If the examination is there and the examiner asks the question work done by a man, then your right option is first one. But here the examiner asks the question and the work done by a gravity. By a gravity, it means the right option is second option. Negative work done is there. So next question. Calculate the angular speed of a second hand. calculate the angular speed of second hand of a clock. This is a very important, second hand of a clock. So this is a direct value, and you can say fourth option is a right option, pi upon 30 radians per second. This is a right option. This is a direct questions asked in examination. So move to the next question. The unit of impulse as same as which of the following? Linear momentum, power, velocity, energy. So the right option is linear momentum. Move to the next question. A mass of 5 kg is acted upon a force of 1 Newton starting from a rest. How much is distance covered by the mass in 10 seconds? This is a numerical which is in their examination. So as you know, the Newton's second formula, Newton's second law is F is equal to ma. So here you have to calculate acceleration, which is F upon m. The value of F is given, which is 1 Newton, and the value of mass is given, which is 5 kg. So you have to put it down. Then the acceleration is comes out to be 1 upon 5 means 0.2. Acceleration is 0.2. It means 1 upon 5. And then starting from rest, it means the initial value u velocity is 0. Starting from a rest, how much the distance? You have to calculate distance covered by the mass in 10 seconds. The time is given, which is 10 seconds. You know the formula, S is equal to ut plus half at square. S is equal to ut plus half at square. So you know that starting initially at a rest, the value of u is 0. It means the formula is shortened, which is half at square. Here the value of a you have to calculate earlier, which is 0.2, and the time is 10 seconds. Now you have to put all these value of a and t in this formula. Then the answer comes out to be 10 meter. So B option is the right option. This is a very easy question which are there in an examination. So move to the next one. So this question is a direct relation between escape velocity as well as orbital velocity. So first option is B naught. You can say BO and B naught. That is your choice. BO is equal to under root 2 BE. BE show the escape velocity, whereas BO show the orbital velocity. So BO is equal to under root 2 BE. Second option is BO twice of BE. Third option is BE under root 2 of BO. Fourth option is BE is equal to double of BO. So most of the students confuse in these two options, option V and option D. These two questions, these two options are a wrong option, but you might confuse with second option and fourth option. So the right option is fourth option. Escape velocity is a double of orbital velocity, not a orbital velocity. This is a wrong option. So fourth option is a right option. BE is equal to double of BO. Move to the next question. 4 degrees Celsius given mass of a butter has maximum. 4 degrees Celsius. Here we talk about 4 degrees Celsius given mass of a butter. Then which factor is maximum? Heat, volume, energy and density. As you know, here we talk about butter. It means density is the right option. So density is maximum. So move to the next question. The real gas obeys Boyle's law. Here the examiner asks the question related to condition. The first condition is high temperature, high pressure. This is not a right option. Second one is high temperature, low pressure. Third one is low temperature, high. Low temperature doesn't mean in a Boyle's law. So the right option is left with the second option, high temperature and low pressure. This is the answer of this question. The next question is, what is the solar energy due to nuclear fission reaction, chemical reaction? Third option is burning of hydrocarbon. This is not a right option firstly. And the fourth option is nuclear fusion reaction. This is also a wrong option. So you are left with the two option, nuclear fission reaction and nuclear fusion reaction. Most of the students confused with these two options. So the right option is nuclear fusion reaction, not a fission reaction. So move to the next question. If the speed of a car becomes thrice, if the speed of a car becomes 3 times, then its kinetic energy becomes. As you know, the kinetic energy, the equation of kinetic energy is half mv square, and here the value you have to put, the value of b is 3b. It means thrice of a velocity, speed of light. So when you put the value of b 3b in half mv square, then your answer comes out to be 3 square means 9. So 9 of half mv square, it means 9 of kinetic energy. When the speed of a car becomes thrice, then the kinetic energy becomes 9 times. This is a very obvious question which are there in examination, and very easy one. So move to the next question. As you know, force constant. Force constant means spring constant. This question is related to spring constant, force constant. So Newton per meter, Newton meter, Newton meter square. These two options are a wrong option, third and fourth option, and you are left with the two option. So second is a wrong option. It means Newton per meter is a unit of force constant. With this, we have to end the session. Thank you for watching.